Congratulations, congratulations. You made it. Get ready to be impacted. Guys, listen, my name is Jean Marlo Davis, and I want to tell you one of the best things that I ever did in my life was when I made a conscious decision to walk away from corporate America and start my own business. I was afraid. I was nervous. I was scared. I thought, oh my God, I got these 4 kids. I was a single mom. I was struggling, but I said, you know what? I got big dreams. I got big goals. I believe in myself. So I knew one thing. I knew I had to find a mentor. I knew I had to find a coach. And then I understood that I had to be very careful who I hung around. I had to be very careful of my center of influence. So I looked for movers and shakers. I looked for people who had undeniable faith. I looked for people who were go-getters. I looked for people who say, you know what? If it's to be, it's up to me. And I made sure I locked arms with those people. And guys, listen. I am one of the first millionaires in my family, not the last. And I'm telling you right now, you can do anything. And it's time for you to walk into your divine purpose, guys. It's time for you to drive your passions. It's time for you to release your power so you can have endless possibilities. So listen, enough about me. What it's time to do is for you to take immediate and massive action. What I want you to do is right below, click on the link, click on the box. If you're on the main page, click on the box, the orange box that says, hey, register here now. We're going to get your email and your name. Guys, listen, we'll never sell your information to anyone. You're just going to roll into our newsletter to be updated about how you can go out here and live your best life ever. So fill it out. And then you get to choose the experience you want to have at this Impact Conference. Guys, the speakers we have lined up are very, very powerful. The information you're going to receive is very, very powerful. No fluff, no puff, no BS. This is what's happened. Try it again. And people are winning, guys, and it's getting their in. So listen, go ahead and fill it out. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Don't delay. Hurry today. It's time to be impacted. I will meet you on the other side. You're going to get all the information about the conference on the other side, and hopefully all your questions will get answered. I'm so glad to see you, and I look forward to shaking your hand and helping you to walk into your destiny. Welcome to Impact.